everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing this awesome recipe with turkey done on veggies. This is a simple recipe and it has like almost no grease or anything bad. Subscribe to my channel to see more. First of all, let's prepare the meat. 1 kilogram of turkey, we cut it into half and add some salt. Then some pepper and some Italian specimens, but you can add anything you want. Then you just massage it into the meat and do the same to the other side. Then put it into the baking plastic bag, the cold frozen veggies, then the meat on top. After, you just close it and put it to the oven for 180 Celsius for 15 minutes. 10 minutes before, open the bag and let it brown up. It's perfectly done. It's really delicious and veggies are done too, so this recipe is super easy to make and I'm sure it's simple enough so anyone can make it. If you like this video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my recipes. Thank you for watching.